Hello, this is me, and the bus here with myself. Yeah, this is gathering some dirt. I lag. Some such points I lag. Let's take off that a bit more weaker. There's sheeps. Let's take some flowers of them. No, is that? Let's take some sheep. Grey wool. Okay, this is how to survive. Sorry if I not talk, but I still busy to kill sheeps. Bleh, 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 bleh. Let's get me faster. Some sort of way. No, that's a hollow on. I have on. Can't be lagging when I do this. That's all. Okay, now on sheep wool 3, sheep wool 3, and many another. Now I should get me some wood. I get me birth because it's pretty that wood too. Look at that. It's real. Look like a real tree. It's birth tree. I will like jungle wood tree too. But I take this wood for now. Hack, 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 down. Okay, I take 7 for this. Some wood of this. Oh, this is pretty wood. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's a pretty dark wood. Oh, that's pretty. Fuck, yeah, I will have some wood way too. Already get a birth tree. That's good. Good to know. Yeah, this is something you need wood first. And we need food, but I have no sheep in our time, so I must get seeds. Get some wood, very much wood. Some surf. Surely I need much more. Let's like this last one. Ooh, we need water too, but I think it's water. One. If when I hack. this last down so I can get it finished. Okay, there's the birch wood. There, I have 11 of this wood. This, oh, more, more. Let's get this. So we get some more dirt. Okay, 9 more. Yeah. Maybe I find a village inside that. This will be more fun where it is. I got 4 seeds. Okay, there. I get me so many seeds. I get me 6 seeds, 3 birch woods, some strips, and so much of sandstone strikers over there. I got some cactus. Let's pick up some sand, shall we? Good. Let's pick up some sand. I need this sand. I even need some. Take the soggy can with me and take the pumpkin too. Take one. I mean pumpkin. Sorry. I mean. I mean cactus, cacti, or whatever it is, and go in a long journey for civilization. I live in a most of the parts I will live in this desert. It's a pretty big desert. If you see, I have. Ooh, look at this pretty cool stuff. Ooh, pretty cool stuff. Maybe I can find a dungeon when I'm lucky. That's not a dungeon, I think. It's not dungeons. If it has, I slowly get down there. I slowly get down there and first I pick up some light source. I will live in a sunny place, like this. Yeah, like this. This is pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, that's it. This is here. This is pretty pretty good pretty good pretty good place to have, but that's one problem is how I will get there before night. I'm cheating off to help. Wait, cheating? No, I know thing. And nothing on, just the normal. I know cheating. Scary. Oh. Yeah. Let's just get ready to my journey for inside here for 3 times. Ah, look at this. That is a structure, not in a temple, but it's water inside it. It's like sometimes like this structures. Is it villages are nearby? Somewhere in the desert or inside there? Even though it's no, it's I don't know where I move, but I need eat food. Nom nom nom. Goodness. Not even I don't eat a pumpkin. I don't know. Pumpkins will have milk. Special milk. Ah, milky. Milk it. Milk in my milk. I like milk. Mm-hmm. Where I think I am now? Let's see. There's grass and some sand. More sand. And the sun's setting. I can't take the day take make day today. Can't edit it or anything. I must delete it then. Or don't delete it. I have it all the way long. Now the sun's setting. I need a home. So I must do this. Ooh, chickens. Why must these chickens be here? I don't care. Okay, I am here inside this dumb place. If I get a chicken into there, I kill it. Seriously, I kill it. Ah, crafting table. I lag. This is the how to survive, and I must live with it. Make two of this. Yeah, I think I myself. I say bye for today.